Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 5, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NI EVS Home School. Here your religion teacher Wahid Noor, assistant teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is SQ, it means short question answer, competency based, from chapter 4, lecture number 7 and HW number 5. My beloved students, already you got the short question from exercise 5 short question from chapter 4 and fill in the blanks matching also from chapter 4. Today I will do some competency based short question answer, and there is selected some short question answer. You will learn only that selected short question answer. Let's start the first question. Mahfuz recites the last and finally revealed heavenly book every day. Which book does he recite every day? I hope you understood the question. So Mahfuz recites the last and finally revealed heavenly book, Al-Quran, every day. There is a piece of reciting that heavenly book which we cannot get anywhere. So my beloved students, here is saying Mahfuz or any of the students or any of the person, they are reciting every day in the morning or after performing the prayer the last and final heavenly book. So what is that book he is reciting? He is reciting the Holy Quran, and if he recite that Holy Quran, he will get all kinds of peace, whatever the human being are finding in the worldly life. I hope you understood. Now the question number 2, which kitab means book, remains unchanged and will remain unchanged forever? Answer, the glorious Quran remains unchanged and will remain unchanged forever, because Almighty Allah is the preserver of the Holy Quran till the Qiyamah. Students, I hope you believe that whatever Almighty Allah revealed as the Holy Quran upon Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, same Holy Quran we are reciting. There is no change after revealed to the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So up to the Qiyamah, nobody can change there. That's why Almighty Allah said in the Holy Quran, "Dhalikal kitabu la raiba fi." I mean, there is no doubt about the Holy Quran. So it was the unchanged, and till now it's unchanged, and it will be forever unchanged up to the Qiyamah. Now question number 3, which one is the message of Allah? It's very easy question. The message of Allah is the glorious Quran. Any kind of message and any kind of problems with the solution are available in the Holy Quran. I hope you understood. Now question number 4, what does kalam mean? Answer, kalam means message. Almighty Allah has revealed this kalam to our great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam by 23 years with requirements. What he is saying? Question is, what does kalam mean? Students, kalam is an Arabic word, and this is the speech of Almighty Allah, the words of Almighty Allah. And Almighty Allah revealed this kalam, these messages, I mean wahi, upon our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam up to the being 23 years. When our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was required, Almighty Allah revealed the some portions, some verses, some ayats to our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And now question number 5, who revealed the glorious Quran and who is its custodian too? Custodian means the preserver. Answer, Almighty Allah revealed the glorious Quran by 23 years and he is its custodian too. Nobody is able to change even a single nukta or letter in future. I already told you about the unchanged, the nukta or the harkat about Holy Quran. Now question number 6, through which can man achieve success, progress and welfare in the society? Answer, through the glorious Quran, man can achieve success, progress and welfare in the society. There is no other options to achieve this. So we have to follow the Holy Quran, the instruction of Holy Quran, the commands of Holy Quran, the prohibitions of the Holy Quran. Then we will get the success, we will achieve the success, progress, welfare in the society, and not only in the society, in the next world also. Students, I skip the question number 7 and 8 because already you learned about that from the book. If you want to learn from here, you can, no problem at all. Now question number 9. How many letters are pronounced from the larynx, throat, and what are they? Answer: 6 letters are pronounced from the larynx. They are Hamza ha, Ain ha, Goin kha. And also question number 10, what is waqf? You will get in the book or you can learn from here, and there is no question number 11. Now come to question number 12. Question number 12 same as you will get in your book in the waqf discussion. Now question number 13, how many waqf are there? Write the name of any 4 waqf. Answer: there are 9 waqf. According to you in your book, you will get 9 waqf sign. The name of any 4 of them are 1 waqf tam, 2 waqf lazim, 3 waqf mutlaq, or 4 waqf jaiz. Students, discussion of waqf is very important for you. Any of the questions you will get in the exam from the waqf and from the makhraj. So there is the question, you have to write any 4 sign of waqf name. So you can write the another waqf's names also, or like waqf jaiz, waqf murakhas, waqf mujawaz. I didn't write here. So any 4 you can write here. Now question number 14 here, mim and noon, if they get tashdid, they will give humming sound. What is it called? What does it mean? So answer: it is called gunna. Gunna means pronouncing a word with the help of nose. It is technique to recite the Holy Quran with correct pronunciation and correct form of recitation. So students, when the mim and noon will get the tashdid, then we are doing the humming sound, that is called gunna, and this is the technique to recite the Holy Quran correctly, the gunna. Question number 15, which one is the smallest surah of the Holy Quran? Is very easy, Surah Kawthar. And number 16, how many verses are there in Surah Fil? Answer: there are 5 verses of Surah Al-Fil. It is 105th number of surah and revealed in Makkah. My beloved students, if you memorize the all information here, then it will be better for you, because in the another question there can become where the Surah Al-Fil revealed, or which number of the Surah Al-Fil, like that. Now question number 19, how many vocal cord letters are there? Vocal cord means the larynx, where from the letters coming from the throat. So there are 6 vocal cord letters. They are Hamza ha, Ain ha, Goin kha. And last question, question number 20, many topics related to Quran have been described in Tajweed. What are they? Answer: they are makhraj, waqf, idgham, gunna, nun sakin, tanween, mim sakin, etc. My beloved students, there is 19 question answer, but I selected only 12 short question answer, competency based short question answer. If you want to learn all of the short question from here, there is no problem at all. But mainly which I selected, you will read that, you will memorize that, you will learn that, because in the exam you will get the question from here. Okay, now see the HW. Your HW is short question from here, any 5 selected. So I selected 12 short question, you will write any 5 only answer. That's all for today, my beloved students. Keep practicing at home. See you next class, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.